Hope you're doing fabulous. So this morning, I started off with some herbal tea. It's so nice in the wintertime especially. So I drank quite a bit of this herbal tea just to start the day. And with this building phase I'm introducing, I'm going to be sharing you some workouts and of course the foods I'm eating. So a lot of the plant-based meals, a lot of the plant foods I'm going to be using to, bring in some amino acids for building muscle and repairing muscle. Because when we work out, we are, exerting that muscle, stretching the muscles. We want to repair it, and it's best to bring in a lot of antioxidants. So I got this hair here. And so yeah, I'm gonna be showing you some meals I'm using, some plant meals, and it's especially the meals I'm gonna be showing you is great for wintertime because we're gonna be focusing on more warming meals and lots of healthy fats as well. And one way I love one particular meals that I love doing are in the crock pot. And I'm gonna show you guys some of those meals, and we're actually gonna make one right now just so we can have it for dinner. And it's great because you really just throw a bunch of food in the crock pot, turn it on, and then it's ready for dinner, and it's just so delicious. So we'll start that right away, and then we'll get into the rest of the meals throughout the day. I can't talk, it's too early. All right, let's go have some fun. Kicking it off with this crock pot recipe, I have 1 butternut squash cubed, about 2 cups of red lentils, 1 onion, 3 stalks of celery, almost 2 cups of coconut milk, 100% coconut milk, 1 cup of tomatoes. I got a mix of spices. I'm gonna have this recipe down below if you guys wanna try this yourselves. Also have some minced ginger and garlic. So put all that in the crock pot. I did add about 2 cups of water in there as well. Mix it all up, put the lid on, and turned it on high for about 4 to 5 hours. You can put it on low for about 7. All right guys, so starting with the first meal of the day, I actually found some papayas, and these ones are the best, the Caribbean red. So when I find them, I grab them. They usually are always pretty tasty and ripe. So, I just do the feel test. If it feels pretty good, then I grab them and cut her open. So I'm hoping this one's gonna be good. I have a feeling it will be. And let's cut into it. Okay, not bad. That color is looking pretty good. And yeah, we're gonna try it out. So I got a little fancy and I put some coconut yogurt in there with some blueberries and some banana. And it's just this cute little boat here. Let's try this. Delicious. Wow. So before I go for a bike ride, I just want to show you guys I'm sprouting some buckwheat. And I love putting buckwheat on top of my salads. Some people even do a cereal with it, with berries. It's a good source of protein, iron, magnesium, fiber, all that good stuff. Even made some cookies with it, which was super yummy. Let's roll.
Think I'm worth the anger? Do you think I'm worth the pain?
I'm actually getting hot. The river is almost frozen.
Follow me to North Temple, through think I crossed the line? Do you think I drank the wine? Don't pay attention to my brothers, they don't give a damn about me. God, I know you see. Follow me to North Temple, through the mountains, cross the sea.
Here is the smoothie, you guys. So this is what I've been drinking almost every day. I also add in an orange. Sometimes I change it up a little bit, but I've really been enjoying that combination of the peas and the berries and the greens. I feel like it's just getting a max amount of nutrition in, antioxidants. Especially after a workout, you really want to hydrate the body, repair the body with all those antioxidants from the fruits and the leafy greens, which contain amino acids. So I'm going to enjoy this smoothie. And we're just gonna wait for the crock pot dish to be done, and I'll show you guys that in a little bit. So you guys, my next meal is pretty simple. It's just a bowl full of delicious bananas sliced, and we have some raw almond butter. So if you look at the ingredients, it's just, if my camera will focus here. Oh, I don't think it'll focus. Sorry guys, I'm trying to improve my camera, but it's just almonds. And this is one of my favorite meals for the winter. I'm bringing the almond butter back, and it's just a nice healthy fat and really helps me stay warm in this climate. So what I do is just take a nice scoop and I just drizzle it all over like that. And I might just take a little bit more just because I just love this almond butter. And you guys, this is my favorite. It is so tasty. Oh my gosh, I can't even describe to you the taste, but if you try this, let me know in the comment section how you like it. Let's dig in. I know a lot of you guys like seeing me put all this food in my belly. The perfect combination. So delicious, wow. Let's try it. This is one of my top favorites, so I'm gonna have this probably at least once a week, and it's great for leftovers. So hope you guys enjoyed this building video with whole plant foods. If you guys like more of these videos, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join the Be Rising tribe, and we will catch you guys in the next video.